Toyota presents the Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Series race preview.
Talladega, NASCAR's most unpredictable track.
The drivers' stomachs are churning. They're nervous. They don't know what's going to take place.
It's a game of chess at over 200 miles an hour. One wrong move, and you're in the big one.
Half the field is going to be involved in this one.
It's the perfect place for Dale Earnhardt Jr. to get back to victory lane. He's won here 6 times.
Earnhardt Jr. checkered flag at Talladega.
The only person with more, his father with 10.
Dale Earnhardt has done it again.
Everyone will be chasing Joey Logano. Last week's winner has taken 2 of the last 3 Talladega races. Catch the Rolling Thunder, Sunday, 1:30 Eastern on TSN2.
The Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Series race preview is brought to you by Toyota.